Good afternoon, everyone. So, as we are discussing the oversubscription concept from the accountancy second year textbook. So, in the second part book, in the financial, here we are dealing with the company's account and the analysis of financial statements here. Here, in this second book, we have discussed the first chapter. In that, we are on the concept naming as a over subscription. In that we have discussed all the concept. Now one of the problem what we are going to discuss with the three alternative options here. So three alternative options and the information is been presented here, but I like to highlight the information which has been taken from the illustration 7. So Janta Paper Limited invites application for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 25 per share. Now 1 lakh invitations have been provided here by this Janta company. They have been told that 1 lakh shares they are going to collect. This is the 1 lakh shares at rupees 25. They have invited the applications. Now let's see further. On the application amount is rupees 5, then allotment 7.5 rupees. Then for the first call 7.5 means 7 rupees 50 paise per share. Then final second and the final will be remaining the 5 per share. Then on this the applications which are been received are 4 lakh. These are the applications. They are going to take the shares 1 lakh, but the applications what they have received are nearly 4 lakhs. Whenever the the positive means company's position is strong, okay, in the market, that time every person, whenever the shares are been allotted, will be the more the people will try to get the shares of the nice means strongly standard companies which are been established there with profit earning companies. They will accept the shares here, try to purchase the shares here. Then in this we can see here 4 lakh shares are there on January 2017. 1st January 2017 they have been called up. Then this allotment which is been there, it is been on 1st February 2017. This is the information. Now the company's journal entries what we are going to pass out here on the share capital transactions are under three circumstances. Three circumstances are there. The first circumstances says that you can accept 1 lakh shares as you have invited 1 lakh shares. You can accept 1 lakh shares and reject these 3 lakh shares. You can directly reject. You don't need to bother about any of the things here. As per the things, you can directly accept it. Then coming to the second point, pro rata allotment you can make. In this pro rata allotment, 4 lakh shares, whatever are been applications are been come, each person will not collect only one single share or 2 shares, right? They will be collecting like 10 or 20 or 50 shares. In that, 20% of the shares should be allotted. For example, now in this, if 50 shares are being called up, or let's consider here, we'll take 100 shares. One person, A person is ready to purchase 100 shares. In these 100 shares, we are going to allot only 25 for him. This person will be allotted 25. That is what pro rata allotment means. Out of this 4 lakh applications, they are going to allot 1 lakh only. But the ratio, the proportion will be in the form of 25%. The ratio is only 25% here. Proportionate ratio. Then lastly, one more thing is there. The director rejects 2 lakh shares and accept full applications on 8. See, 4 lakh shares are there. Directly out of that, 2 lakhs are been rejected. Here whole of the 2 lakhs are been rejected. In that 80,000 shares fully accepted. Fully accepted. Now remaining are how much? 20,000 shares. In this 20,000 shares, they are going to make pro rata allotment. Pro rata allotment. See, on this basis, the third situation, we are going to pass out the journal entries. So most probably for today's session, I have decided to complete 2 part. Then remaining this part will be discussed in the next session. Let's start with the journal entries from this part. So as per the first, we know this. We have passed in the previous sessions. We have passed the journal entries on these things. So obviously, whenever the application are been received for 4 lakh, the journal entries which come here on the first, it will be like this. First journal entry will be bank account data, to equity share application account, to equity share application account. Now how many applications have been come here? 4 lakh applications are there. That 4 lakhs for 5 rupees each. Check it out how much it will be. 4 into 5, 20. Obviously 20, right? 4 lakhs into 5, if you make 5 4s are 20, means the amount will be 20 lakhs, correct? Please check it out and let me know here, yes or no. The first journal entry gets here 20 lakhs rupees. Money received on application. Money received on application. How much application here? 4 lakhs. Application account on 4 lakh shares, right? At rupees how much? 4 lakh shares at rupees 5. Rupees 5 per share, correct? At rupees 5 per share, we have received the application money for 4 lakh shares here. So total will be here, this is debit and amount here. This is credit and amount. Credit and amount. So totally how much it has been there here? 20 lakhs. That's it. So next, second one. This journal entry has been passed at when the date is given here. 1st Jan 2017. Whenever the dates are given, you can write the dates. 1st Jan 2017. Then next, on the other hand, on February, when they are making the allotment, 1st Feb 2017, the same will be transferred to the share capital, right? And remaining rejected amount will be refunded fully. That is one of the things. We know this previous normal things whichever are there, we know that all. What it will be taken here? Equity share application account, data to what? Equity share capital account, to equity share capital account. Then one more, to bank account. Now check it out. How much is the value here? 20 lakh. Amount is there. How much we have taken here? It is 20 lakh. Okay, in that 20 lakh, as per our things, our requirement, we have invited how much here? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 5 rupees, how much it will be? 1 lakh into 5 will be 5 lakhs. Then remainder will be refunded to their bank account. We know that whenever we purchase a shares or the applications are been come, we open their separate individual accounts in the banks. where the amounts will be kept in the specific individual banks here, in the under the schedule banks here. Then in this what happens, remaining amount 15 will be refunded out here. This is the refunded amount, and this is the application amount which is being transferred to the share capital. As usually we know these things, journal entries. Then here you can write transfer of application money on 1 lakh, application money on 1 lakh shares at rupees 5. You can mention there directly 1 lakh shares to share capital, direct mention here, that we have specifically told here, share capital account. Okay, then remaining and money refunded to rejected application, and money refunded to rejected applications. So these are the things been taken over here. Okay, this is the second journal entry. Till here we had ended in the previous session, but I am highlighting the same, repeating the same, so that we should continue with the further concepts. Now next, on the allotment, when we are, this concept got over. Okay, this concept got over. Next is the allotment. Now how much allotment we are making here? Equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment, equity share allotment account data to equity share capital account, to equity share capital account. Now check it out. This is on the 1st Feb 2017. The allotments are made on the 1st Feb 2017. When you will be making the allotment, that time you will be rejecting the things. For when you are rejected the things, that time you will be refunding the things here, as I have mentioned out here. And so that I have written here the first one. Then let's see the allotment. Now allotment on the 1 lakh shares on this amount. What is the amount here? 7 rupees 50 paisa. 7 rupees 50 paisa into 1 lakh will be 7 lakh 50,000 directly. 7 lakh 50,000 will be the allotment. 7 lakh 50,000. See, check it out. If I go wrong, you can stop me there and inform me. So amount due on allotment. Amount due on allotment. Amount due on allotment of 1 lakh shares at rupees 7.50 per share. So this is what the third entry has been done. Equity share allotment account data to equity share capital account. Then same will be transferring here. Let's see the next entry. The fourth entry will be bank account data, bank account data to equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment account. So amount as usually, where up you have mentioned there, same will be down. Same amount will be taken down here. 7,50,000. Whatever the amount had come here in the bank, that will be transferred to the share allotment account. Then here you can write the description also for this. Allotment money received. Allotment money received. Right? These are the journal entries. 1, I will mark out here. 1, this is the 2, this is 3, and this is the fourth journal entry. Space we are having here down, so I will be taking over with the next one. Now even this journal entry got over allotment. Now there will be a first call entry. Now how we are going to pass the journal entry for that? Equity shares first call account, equity shares first call account data to equity share capital. Now have we taken a date here? Means they have been told whenever they will be making the journal entries in the question, they have been told after 1 month every transaction, every calls are been made on next after 1 month. So this will be on 1st April. First 1 month or 2 month in the question itself they have been told where it is allotment on first same, then it has been taken here somewhere on the allotments after 2 months. Sorry, here it is the due amount after 2 months. 2 months means it will be 1st April 2017. So it has been taken into consideration there. Then let's see the journal entry. Now 1 lakh into 7.5 will be 7,50,000 only. But where we transfer this, where we are going to transfer this equity share first call account data to equity share capital account. Capital account. What is the amount here? 7,50,000 itself. $7,50,000 itself we are going to make out here. Then it will be first call money due call money due on 1 lakh. First call money due on 1 lakh shares at rupees 7.50 per share. Done. This will be the first call money received which has been taken here. So here we have passed a first journal entry for the first call. Okay, now let's see the next one. I will be erasing one by one the upper side entries. The same amount where we are going to transfer it or keep there only. Yes, what we do on the first call money received, that will be transferred to the equity. Yes, what we do here, the next journal entry after this equity shares, you can write here the 1st April, date also 2017. So after the things are being taken over here, 1st April, we are going to pass it out. Next one, bank account data. What we do here? To equity share first to equity share first call account. The same date will be there, 1st April only the dates will be taken over here. So the amount is been 7,50,000, 7,50,000 here. Okay, so amount, what you can write here in the description, first call money received. First call money received. So here we end up with this journal entry. Then coming to the second and final. So 2 more journal entries are there. So we will be ending up the first method here. This method we are going to end up now. Okay, so here let's see the last two journal entries. Now after these 2 months, April, May, June, 1st June 2017, this journal entry will take place. So I will mention here 1st June 2017. Now what will be the journal entry here? Obviously, as here we took equity share second and final call account debtor, equity share second and final call account debtor to equity share capital account, share capital. Check it out, what will be the amount here? What is the amount? 5 rupees into 1 lakh means totally it is 5 lakh amount. 5 lakh is the amount here. So what we are going to make here? Final call money is due. Final call money due on 1 lakh shares. 1 lakh shares at rupees 5 per share. At rupees 5 per share. Now one more last journal entry what we are remained with. Let's see that and end up the first alternative option of the allotment. Now this will be the final entry what we are going to make. Let's see what will be. What we make this bank account debtor to equity share second and final call account, right? Is it correct? Equity share second and final call account, final call money received. Final call money received. Well, how much it is? 5 lakhs. So here we end up with the first part. In the first alternative option, in the time of over subscription, the directors what can do is totally we can reject it. Reject means what? How much we require, how much we have invited? 1 lakh. Except 1 lakh and remaining you can reject out the things. So as per the things we have completed first one, and even in the second, in this let's go for this pro rata allotment, whatever is been made directly 25%. They have told pro rata allotment should be there. Then in the 4 lakh shares, 25% will be how much? 1 lakh. Only here same journal entries will be there. Few of the journal entries are same, but we are not going to take whole of that. Here we will be taking only 3 main journal entries of this pro rata allotment. Let's go for that. So till now here, whatever, if you all are having any of the doubts, you can raise quickly in 1 minute. If you have any doubts, you can ask till now whatever we have covered. If you are having any of the doubts till now what I have written here, you can ask it quickly so that I can proceed with that, or else I will proceed with the second method, second alternative option here. Only 3 journal entries are there, so we can end up with the second point as well. So I will be taking it bit faster so that at least we can end up the second alternative option also. Is there any of the doubts? Okay, fine. I will move with the next option alternative. Okay, fine. Thank you. Let's see the three main journal entries of this second part, so that we can end up with the second option, alternative option as well. Pro rata allotment means what? We are going to take whole of the application into consideration, and remaining means on the proportion basis we are going to reject few of them, or else allot, we are going to make the allotment for them. This is the second alternative plan. Okay, where I should write here? Second alternative it is. Second alternative. Here we are having second alternative plan. So let's see the first entry here on the application. Let's take January 2017. The first journal entry, as usually, bank account debtor to equity share application account. How much it is? Equity share application amount total 1 lakh. See, totally how much it will be? 4 lakh into 5 means 20 only. The first amount only will be taken into consideration. 20 lakhs we have got out here. Then this is money received on application. Money received on application. How much applications are there? 4 lakhs. Shares at ₹5 per share. Right? This is the first journal entry as common we have taken out. Then, as per the things, remember that they have told 25% they are going to make the allotment. Means out of that 4 lakhs, they are going to make the allotment for 1 lakh only. 4 lakhs entry, what we make here? 1 lakh only they will be having out here. So, what it is? Next one, Feb 1, 2017. Let's go. Now your equity share application account debtor to, now here we are going to make the allotments here. So where we are going to send this application amount? To equity share capital account. Right? It is correct or no? Just cross verify. This we are going to send here to equity share capital account. Now total amount is how much? 20 lakhs. Okay. In that, what we are going to make here? On that, check it out how much it will be. Now 1 lakh we are going to accept. Correct? On that 1 lakh, what we are going to do? Here we are going to take jointly. Okay, jointly means allotment also we are going to take on 1 lakh shares. Now for 4 lakhs 25% means 1 lakh only. Then on 1 lakh, for 1 lakh into 5 means 5 lakh. For this there will be a 5 lakhs. Then in that only we are going to make the adjustment. What we are going to make the adjustment here? Whatever the remaining amount is there, that we are going to adjust. Where we are going to adjust here? In the allotment account. Remember this point. It is been told out here. In this, you will be given the information. The share capital account is 5 lakh. Then the equity share allotment to equity share allotment account. How much it will be? 7.5 into 1 lakh? 7 lakh 50,000, right? Is it correct? 7 lakh 50,000. Then remaining that is been rejected, that will be transferred to bank. Now how much they have rejected now remained is here. How much amount is remained here? 7 lakh means out of 20, remove this means 12 lakh 50,000 got over, means remaining amount rejected will be 7 lakh 50,000 only. This is what the rejected part. The rejected application is been refunded fully. How much they have rejected? Now 25% they have been taking over here, pro rata allotment 25%. Then remaining will be having the margin, right, that are been transferred fully to their respective accounts here, to the bank account. So here we can write out here the description for that. See, transfer of money, transfer of application money, transfer of application money on share allotment, on share allotment, on share allotment to share capital, to share capital and excess application money, excess application money credited, excess application money credited to allotment account. Excess application money is credited to allotment account and money refunded, on rejected applications. See, in this whole of the journal entry, what you are going to see is the overall amount which has been taken over here. 20 lakhs has been the equity share capital account. We are having 20 lakhs. In that, here on the pro rata allotment, 25% they have taken. Now, out of that 25%, 4 lakh, 25% means 1 lakh. 1 lakh into application money, 5 will be obviously 5 lakhs. Then remaining equity share capital, how much they are going to transfer here? 7 lakh 50,000. Then on the, it is on the allotment, 7 lakh, 7.5 into 1 lakh. That will be 7 lakh 50,000. Then remaining amount, the rejected applications, where we have mentioned it. No, I have not mentioned here. The rejected application amount will be transferred out here. That is what the total answer gets tally out on the pro rata allotment. So these two concepts are got over. Just a normal last entry we have remained here. Feb 1, 2017. See, just allotment, after this allotment, whatever the remaining account, what we have previously solved in the first alternative, same will be taken over here. First allotment on the 1 lakh, the same journal entries are taken, and final and the second and final also are the same. So we are not going to continue the same. यहाँ पर हम लोग कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं करने वाले हैं. यहाँ पर सिर्फ हमने क्या किया है, जो मेन एंट्री है प्रो रेटा अलॉटमेंट में वही लिया है. पहली एंट्री तो कॉमन हो गई, दूसरे में और तीसरी में जो सिर्फ यहाँ पर जो अलॉटमेंट है वही कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ये जो है, जो पहले हम लोगों ने पास आउट किया है जर्नल एंट्रीज सेम रहेंगे. दिस टू जर्नल एंट्रीज विच आर देयर 1 and 2, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड कॉल मनी, that are same which we have previously formed. हम लोगों ने previously जो solve किया है वही रहेंगे. That only the same is be taken over here. Then equity share allotment account we are going to take here. Last entry, allotment, share allotment, share allotment account data to equity share capital account. to equity share capital account. What will be the amount? Check it out. Allotment account 1 lakh, sorry, 7,50,000, not 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 7.5 means 7,50,000. 7,50,000. That's it. So here you can take it out. The amount due on allotment, amount due on allotment of 1 lakh shares at rupees 7.5 per share. That's it. Here we exactly end over these two concepts, got over. Now this concept, the third one, which is 80,000 fully accepted and this 20,000 pro rata allotment, whatever is been made here, both this 1 and 2, both are been combinedly taken here. In the third option, it requires much more time. Most probably we require one session, whole session, 40 minutes at least I require to solve over all the journal entries out here. So nearly the 8 entries are there, but same as this kind of entries we will be getting in the third point. So this will be taken over in the next session, and I will not write this whole of the working note in the next session. So as a rough work only, you can write it out, this part, and keep for your reference. I will be asking you all the questions in the next session, and on that basis only I will be passing out the journal entries on the third alternative option. Okay, the same will be taken over, and here we may get one of the working note for that also. So for that purpose, this is bit complicated part. Why? Because we are going to combinedly take here the first alternative option and second alternative option as well. So let's take over that in the next session here. So in this session, this